Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Panasonic TX-50LXW704 TV and I'm going to show you how to enable high contrast text. At first you have to go up where you will see mic icon, keyboard icon, input icon and settings icon. You have to click on settings icon and then you have to scroll down to device preferences. Here you have to scroll all the way down to accessibility. Here, as you can see below captions option, you have high contrast text. You can either disable this option or disable by just clicking on this. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.